Hi and welcome to the Resources Roadhouse. I'm Wally Graham. I'm at the 2022 Investment Showcase on the Gold Coast, where I managed to catch up with Andrew Radonjic, who's Managing Director of Venture Minerals. Andrew, welcome back to the Resources Roadhouse. It's always good to see you.
No, absolutely, Wally.
All right, mate. So, lots of things going on in Tassie and in the southwest of WA. Let's start in Tasmania at the Mount Lindsay Tin Project. What's going on?
Well, we're just beavering away at our pre-feasibility study we're looking to put out in Q4 this year. So, we've got all the met sample, we've collected about 10 tonne of that, and that's just going through the laboratories now as we speak. The drill rig's now going on to exploration targets. We've got 48 of them, so we're going to churn our way through that, and the main one being along strike to the Renison Bell mine, the Renison mine sequence. So we're putting some holes into that as we speak.
All right, and so are there any sort of snags? Are you hitting any roadblocks at the moment with the mine, so to speak?
No. We're just, we drew the open pit permit, getting the underground permit. Everyone's very happy to go underground, and we've got the hydropower going through there. It's all fits in with that ESG thematic there. So Tasmania net zero emissions, so it's a good place to build a mine.
All right, and so staying in Tasmania just for a sec, your Riley iron ore project, how's that going along?
Well, look, it's the way we look at it, it's an option to the iron ore price. So obviously at the moment China's in lockdown, so we expect that to rebound quite aggressively when they finally do come out of that. So the iron ore mine, I can virtually give the guys a call, get the crushing plant down to the site, and within a matter of weeks we can get another shipment out. So we're just well positioned for that.
All right, so on the other side of the country, over in WA, you've got the drill bit spinning?
Absolutely. We've got our joint venture partners, Chalice, drilling away there, so we'll have to expect some results hopefully towards the end of next month.
All right, and so and drilling specifically, what's the main sort of reason you're drilling at the moment?
Yeah, Chalice have identified some ground EM targets. We had some airborne EM targets that refined that positioning, and 3 of the targets that they're drilling are very close to holes that we drilled. Because the airborne EM is usually it's a problem with the RL, and so we're to just drill underneath it or just to the side of it. So, so their main target is obviously that Julimar style, as they call it. They named it back when we did the joint venture in 2020. But so that plus, I'd say there's opportunities for other types of mineralisation in that area, like VMS sort of style, copper, lead, zinc, which is what we originally were looking for. So they're doing a 2-pronged attack. One with, if you like, the low-hanging fruit, the easy targets that we'd identified previously. But because the EM is affected by the power lines we have in the northern part, they're doing, a very broad 750 hole auger program over the whole area, trying to identify, if you like, the more hidden targets or the ones that the airborne EM couldn't fly over because of the interference of the power line. So it looks like a much longer term commitment, which is great from our perspective.
All right. Well, it seems like on both projects there's a fair whack of news due to come out later in the year. So as always, keep us up to date, and we'll bring the news to everybody at the Roadhouse.
Excellent. All right. Thanks, Wally.